Welcome back to another video. Today we're going south a little bit. We got a feed of about 2,000 ducks and 500 geese in it. Hunter found it last night, so he invited us out. It's gonna snow this morning, so it's gonna be interesting. We got, I think, east-southeast winds at like 14, 15 miles an hour, so it's gonna be a fun morning. But I think we only have about 5-6 shooters. We had a big push of geese this last week. Not so much ducks though. There's a lot of snows, specks, and Canadas and cacklets around, so we're hoping that we can shoot some ducks today, but I don't think we'd be mad if we shot some specks or snows. But we're gonna head over to Hunter's. We gotta meet up with him, and then Jake from our last video that we met at Wild Bill's is coming out with us today, so we'll meet you guys there.
Good morning. Last night I found a duck feed with roughly 2,000 and some big honkers in there. It's a blonde cornfield, which should be good for this morning. We got some snow, which is gonna help us out with some strong winds from the east. Hopefully they wanna play this morning and it should get fun in the snow.
Kind of sucks that made it to the field. As you can see, it is snowing. I think this is gonna be fun. The roost is pretty close, so we're kind of worried about that, but wind's kind of blowing crossways with where they are. I think it's gonna be a good day still. There is, like Hunter said, like 2,000 mallards out here and a couple geese. We're running 12 dozen V2Fs, and then I'm not sure how many big L's Hunter brought. Running some of those. We got 6 people in layouts, 5 or 6, something like that. So we can shoot a decent amount of mallards. Hoping to shoot all green today, but we'll see how it goes. I think we got about a 15 mile an hour southeast wind right now. Should be pretty good. Stay tuned. It might even be a hen, I don't even know.
This game on. Kill him. Kill him, guys.
It is extremely dark still because it's snowing and cloudy, but it is shooting time. Had a pair of mallards come in. Got both of them.
Hey, what'd you shoot down there, Hunter?
Got a Drake Woody.
Oh, yeah.
Not a bad one.
Kill him, guys.
Nice booty there, huh?
Love a little morning wood.
Woody's on the right.
Kill him, guys. Kill him, guys.
Woody's.
Thank you.
Woodies.
Kill him, guys.
Woodies.
Thank you. Kill him, guys. We'll leave him. Let him swing. Kill him, guys.
Holy, that was not really.
Nice shot, boys. guys.
Oh, nope, Mallard.
Kill him, guys. Get that one.
Oh, that one just went down.
Yep.
I'm not sure how many ducks we're at, but there's really no breaks here. We go and get ducks out of the field, and there's more coming, and the sizes of these flocks are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But we've gotten mallards, wood ducks, pintails. We've seen some widgeon, and we're just waiting for the geese to get up. Really, I don't think we're gonna have a problem limiting out with ducks here, but it's a fun morning.
Another Susie. That was that one that sailed way out there. Whew. This is stupid. The birds are doing it nice. All right, so we just got a count. We got 26 ducks down. Got a decent little pile of wood ducks this morning. That was kind of unexpected. And then got one hen pintail, a bunch of mallards. Let them swing.
Yo, let's not get them so hot.
Oh, widgeons.
You guys want some widgeons?
I'd love some widgeons.
Kill them.
Yep, that was a drake. Good job. We got widgeons. I'll shoot a drake widgeon. Oh, those are woodies. That's a widgeon. Green only. Please.
Oh, let's shoot the one.
Yep, the widgeon.
Kill him, guys! Watch that one. Oh boy. Kill him, guys! That's a hen.
Woo! That's what we live for right here. I think we're just about done with ducks here. I think we got about 2 left. Right, Hunter? 2 more?
2 more.
That was a quick limit. Well, it's not over yet, but it will be soon. I think Colin's gonna finish out those last 2. We got widgeons, pintail, wood ducks, mallards. That was awesome. We're gonna hopefully wait out and see if we can shoot any geese too, but.
How's your Minnesota boys feel about this little 15-minute limit here?
Oh, it was just greasy. Just greasy.
We decided we're not gonna wait for the geese. We're gonna try and hunt this again some other time. We're gonna get out of here real quick. We're gonna go get the trucks, pack everything up. Got our limit of ducks. Gonna get out of here. Don't matter, we can do either or.
Pile to hide our food.
That is a Mac.
Yeah.
All right, it's 8:30, 8:28. We are done packing up. We're out of the field. Got pictures, everything. That is in less than an hour of shooting time that we are completely done with everything, pictures, packing up. That was probably one of my favorite duck hunts this year, in the snow. They were doing it on top of us, absolutely perfect. It doesn't get much better than that. We got 1 pintail, 4 widgeons, 3 wood ducks, and the rest were all mallards. We got some studs. I got some pretty good pictures of those. We shot one beautiful widgeon, one beautiful wood duck, some really nice mallards. But that was awesome. Big props to Hunter for getting us out here. And as we're leaving here, all the geese are going in now. We didn't know if we should wait it out for them or just get out of here and save the field for later, because we had only seen probably 300 ducks of the 2,000. So we decided to pack it up, save it for later, and now there's snow geese, specks, Canadas, and a bajillion ducks going in. So we're definitely gonna be back out here to hunt this field again. Probably come scout it sometime, make sure they're still going here, and then get back after it in a couple days here. But as always, check out the Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube, check out the website, check out the merch, and leave us some comments. Stay tuned for more. I'm sure we'll have more. It's getting real cold up here, but we're definitely gonna have lots more good ones coming. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one.